Welcome. Let's take a look now at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 13th of February. We're now off to our newsroom in Johannesburg to join Warren Venketas from DailyFX with his thoughts on an event next week to watch out for. Warren, what have you got for us?
Morning, Jeremy, and thanks for having me. So next week, I'll be focused on the US CPI report, which is likely to be the most dominant economic release across global markets. And I think it will give us another indication as to whether the Fed's aggressive monetary policy up until now continues to soften inflationary pressures or not. Both core and headline statistics have been on the decline, but they do remain well above the Fed's target rate of 2%. And I think a lot of market analysts expected a faster decline in inflation than what we're actually seeing. The leading up to the CPI report next week, from a Fed perspective, we've seen Fed officials become increasingly more hawkish. And that's largely due to the stellar NFP release we saw not so long ago. So I think a stickier than expected inflation figure, that could be around the high 5% or a beat higher than estimates, could really extend that recent dollar rally that we've seen. So if we look at the daily dollar index chart on screen, recent price action shows a mild consolidation, slightly lower, but that consolidation has formed what seems to be a bull flag type chart pattern. Traditionally, a bull flag chart pattern is linked with bullish continuation. So I'd be looking for an upside break, and that'll coincide with a break above flag resistance, the 103.42 swing low, now resistance, the 50-day moving average in yellow, as well as the medium-term trend line resistance in black. So a very key area of confluence that we're seeing at the moment, and that could bring into consideration the 104 psychological level and beyond. From a bearish perspective, however, a significant fall in inflation will likely invalidate the bull flag breakout to the upside, and that'll expose subsequent swing lows thereafter. So in summary, technicals are very suggestive of an upside break, but that is highly dependent on the actual CPI release. So a lot to look forward to next week.
Warren, thanks so much indeed. That's Warren Venketas from DailyFX joining us there with his risk event for the week starting Monday, 13th of Feb. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.